Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long Robinhood deposits take to settle. The time it takes for a deposit to fully settle in your Robinhood account depends primarily on the type of deposit you make: a standard bank transfer, an instant bank transfer, or a debit card transfer. For a standard bank transfer, which uses the automated clearinghouse or ACH network, the process can take up to 5 business days for the funds to be fully available and settled in your account. While you may have access to a small portion of the deposit immediately through Robinhood's Instant Deposits feature, the full transfer from your bank takes this standard time. Robinhood offers what it calls instant deposits. For eligible users, this feature allows you to trade with a portion of your deposit instantly before the transfer fully clears. The limit for this instant access varies based on your account balance and status, with Robinhood Gold subscribers typically getting a higher instant deposit limit. However, even with instant deposits, the underlying standard bank transfer still takes up to 5 business days to settle. You cannot withdraw those instant funds until the full deposit has cleared. If you use an instant bank transfer deposit option, which is available for select banks and often uses faster transfer methods, the money can settle in your Robinhood account in a few minutes, though it can still depend on your bank. Debit card transfers are another fast option. Funds transferred from an external debit card typically become available in your Robinhood account within a few minutes. Keep in mind that business days are Monday through Friday, excluding stock market holidays. Therefore, a transfer initiated late in the week or before a holiday may take longer than the 5-day estimate. In summary, while Robinhood offers instant access for trading a portion of a deposit, the actual settlement for a standard bank transfer can take up to 5 business days. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.